Hey guys, this is Funda on Shopagamo. Tonight on Imbewu, Nokzola see her, and Nokzola is flabbergasted to learn that Sbongile is pregnant, and is pregnant Zetulele child. And it seems like Sbongile and Nokzola wants to fight, but Zagiti tries to stop them. While Tusheleni and his arrangement with Lindewe, although making her angry, because Lindewe was waiting to get more money on Tusheleni on using her, while Arrogance rock havoc at Msam. And it seems like Nomusa learned the lesson about Macingwane prophets. While Mbali and Tando has a competition on Big Sisa. They want Big Sisa to take them, but it seems like Big Sisa does not see that they have a competition of him. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.